Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to send USDC to Phantom Wallet. So first is first, you have to open your Phantom Wallet and log into your Phantom Wallet right here. What you're going to do is tap on the receive option, and then you're going to paste the address that you're going to copy from other platform. So make sure that you have your Phantom Wallet right here and it has enough funds. You can exit your Phantom, and then this time we're going to use Binance. Here, what you're going to do is you have to make sure that you have enough USDC to your funding or spot. If you don't know how, you can search for USDC and then add funds or transfer funds here to your Binance. So once you have your enough USDC right here, then you can do the transaction. Now, suppose that this is my USDC, or suppose that I have my USDC here on my Binance. What I'm going to do is I'm going to tap on my USDC and then tap on send. So basically, I should see this option on chain withdrawal. This is where we're going to paste our address from Phantom Wallet. So exit your Binance, go to your Phantom Wallet, and then look for the receive option. Tap this one. Let's just say if you're going to use Solana or Ethereum, everything is up to you. So you just have to copy, click this one, exit, go back to your Binance, paste the address right here, enter the amount, and then make sure that it's in the same token that you're about to use. So after that, you just have to follow the prompt right here. So basically, that's it. Once done, you can go back to your Phantom wallet and see if you have received or if there is a new balance for your USDC. And basically, that's it. And make sure to review everything before sending. It should be the correct address or it should be the correct Binance address before proceeding with the transaction. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.